does not grow on trees, young lady. You are forbidden to touch the thermostat.
Report it immediately to Global Command. And
Good morning, Mr. Sanbon.
Now, what are you doing in our treehouse?
How hot can it be?
We can always call in Sector P from Pompeii. They've got a lot more experience with volcanoes.
They're on the ceiling! No! They're on the ground! I'm trying! We're caught in the current!
We've only got minutes until this place erupts. Okay, now all I gotta do is keep my cool.
I said it would be useful and needed! And it's going to continue! I won't let you make it cold again!
Mr. Sanbon, he found the thermostat.
How cold could it be?
I want him! And I'll take him! Attack!
Blow it out your porthole.
If we succeed, you'll each receive a full pardon. In 48 hours, your tonsils will inflate before pow! They pop like balloons. The only way you're gonna get the antidote is to do what I say. I tunneled my way out to catch up. Give me 5 more. Come on!
We're out of here. Now, feel the hand of justice. I'm gonna get that strike and send number 4's daddy home crying.
All right, team, recapture those villains.
Miss.
Visiting hours are officially over.